Conceived as a retreat from the demands of urban life, the cabin house reimagines the contemporary weekend home through a close relationship with nature. Set on a 349 square metre plot in the lush greenery of South Bangalore, the one-bedroom residence is designed for a family of 3 and embraces a simple yet thoughtful architectural language. Surrounded by mature jackfruit and mango trees, the rectangular volume is oriented along the east-west axis, while large pivot doors on both sides of the ground floor dissolve the boundary between indoors and outdoors, allowing light, air, and landscape to become an integral part of everyday living. Responding to the compact footprint and lush surroundings, the cabin house weaves together varied design gestures within a contemporary framework. A continuous built-in seating extends from the main staircase landing, wrapping around the dining area and strengthening spatial continuity. Privacy is carefully calibrated through shifts in levels and subtle spatial separations shaped by the landscape. In the bathroom, a horizontal opening frames the greenery beyond, while preserving discretion through its positioning. The cabin house is defined by simple, elemental forms and subtle references to local vernacular architecture. The interior is organized as a clear, continuous volume where a double-height space brings together the living, dining, and kitchen areas, while a mezzanine at one end accommodates the master bedroom. A restrained material palette of earthy tones, exposed concrete, and warm timber creates a calm, cohesive atmosphere throughout the house. Beneath the mezzanine, the bathroom is carefully integrated into the structure, featuring a sculpted in-situ concrete basin and a walk-in closet that maintains a direct visual connection to the surrounding landscape. The landscape around is sculpted to imbibe nature into the dwelling. It also features a large gazebo that keeps in mind the client's requirement to conduct small gatherings. The remarkable combination of neutrals breaks even with lustrous terracotta that weaves throughout the entire dwelling. The cynosure of the design, highlighted in terracotta red color, is the archway that melds into the main staircase and further extends out to a seater. The solidness of the large concrete roof is rendered lightweight through the introduction of wooden louvers and glass panes, allowing natural light to filter into the interiors. Inferring the Kate design, the windowsill on the exterior is lowered to invite people to sit by the window and enjoy the view of the large garden in front. While the exteriors exude boldness in form and function, the overall structure is perceived to be grounded in nature, with very little distinction between the boundaries of the two